Welcome to Computer Education Unlocked channel. Today's video will teach how to install Wine software on Linux Ubuntu. Wine software allows you to install and use any Windows-based application software within the Ubuntu operating system. The entire procedure is shown step by step, with a guide PDF file and video description. Let's start the video. First, open the terminal. Then update the repository with this command. Then update Ubuntu operating system by this command. First, download the PDF file in from the description of the video. After downloading, double-click to open the file. Here you can see all steps. Internet connection is required on the computer to install Wine. Then follow the steps of the PDF file and enter the command one by one in the terminal. This command is for installing Wine software on the system. Y must be pressed. It will take some time to download and install. This command is to enable 32-bit architecture on the system. This command is to download the Wine key to the system. This command is for adding the Wine repository. Once again, apt repository should be updated. This command downloads and installs the 32-bit version of the Wine software. Y must be pressed. It will take some time to download and install. This command helps to determine if Wine is installed correctly. This command is used to set up the Wine software. An example of how to install a Windows application is shown. Here there is a folder of Office 2007 in the desktop area. I will install it with the help of Wine software. Terminal should be opened. This command is used to enter the desktop area. This command shows all the files and folders placed in the desktop area. Use this command to access the Office 2007 folder. This command will show all the files and folders inside the Office 2007 folder. Here is the setup.exe file. This command will run the Office 2007 setup file. Copy and paste the serial key from the Office 2007 folder on the desktop. I accept the terms must be ticked. Then continue. Then install now. The installation will start. It will take some time to complete the installation. Here it is seen that all the software of the Office package has been installed.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get latest video updates. If you have any questions or suggestions about the video, please comment.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.